at Blair's Nursery and Gifts out in West Mobile, and as soon as we drove in the driveway, I knew I wanted to do a video about this amazing container planting that you see here. Most people are so afraid of really getting a good scale outdoor container, and I have to say, my mantra has always been, you can never go too big, and this just proves my point. Look how giant this is. The urn goes past my hip. It's taller than my hip. Narrow at the bottom, wide at the top. It's probably 4 feet wide at the top at least. I mean, it's a giant container, and look how beautiful and how many things you can do with it. She took a Carolina sapphire juniper, planted it in here as the height, so it gets even taller. I mean, the impact here is amazing. She put this huge Carolina sapphire plant in here, and then around the bottom you can see we've got this spill over with the sweet potato vine with that chartreuse color, and then she told me that when the season ends, she'll pop out this marigold and she'll put in whatever the spring color is. So this can continue to be a focal point all year round. I also love that she popped another container inside the container to give even more height, and then this bird little bird house that's decorative too. So like, it's just its own entire composition that brings such a focal point to any part of your yard. So you guys, don't be afraid of the scale of a planter. You can do so many different things, make it its own environment, and really add a huge impact to your landscape.